Started on his Broadway shows?
I had no idea.
But not all musical movies.
What do you mean?
That's right. Singing in the Rain got started as a movie, and then was later adapted for the stage.
Really?
I forgot about that! The movie premiered in 1952 starring Gene Kelly and... Debbie Reynolds.
But it wasn't until 1983 the production had its opening in London.
And then it opened on Broadway in 1985, and since then it has been performed all over the world.
Enough talking about it. I want to see it.
And I hope you're fit as a fiddle, because we're about to go way back.
How far back?
As far back as the 1920s.
I suppose I'm ready.
You hear that, guys? Moses supposes.
Come on, let's go. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling! I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Let the storm become chase everyone from the place. Come on in the rain, I've a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain. Good morning,
Good morning. We've talked the whole night.
good morning,
Good morning to you.
good morning, good morning. It's great to stay up late. Good morning to you.
When that began to play, the sun was shining bright.
Now the milkman's on his way. It's too late to say goodnight.
So, good morning,